It was a really nice day. We were at the RV dealer dropping off our travel trailer and picking up our new fifth wheel, and it came equipped with solar. Now, we wanted to take full advantage of the solar, so we wanted to get rid of this kind of messy situation. This is the front storage compartment of our fifth wheel, and we wanted to use it more, but you've got these hoses and these two boxes that are housing lead acid batteries. And because they're lead acid batteries, you have to have the hoses for ventilation. Well, each lead acid battery weighs about 45 pounds, and it doesn't do but maybe 100 amp hours per battery. We wanted to get something a little bit more compact and lighter, so we got one big battery that was about 45 pounds that did the same job of the two, and we cleared up this compartment. So what I mean by that is we got rid of the lead acid batteries. We switched over our charge controller to solar and lithium ion. And we got rid of these two stupid little boxes and cleared up the whole compartment in the front. Not only that, but later on we added some protection to the battery over top, and we continued to use it for storage. The GOLDENMATE 200 amp hour battery, it's, as you can see, it's a bigger size battery, but the fact that it weighs just what one of those lead acid batteries did, and it does twice of what one of those lead acid batteries did, was spectacular. You get a lot of charge cycles out of this. You get a lot of life out of this. It has built-in battery management system, so it won't overcharge. And even though this will work with a stock charge controller, it's best to get one that works for lithium ion more than anything else. But this made our boondocking experience much better. So there's a link in the description. Check it out. Maybe this is something you want to do to get yourself on the road and then off the road without any hookups.